Hey guys, how's it going? Alright? We're just on the last field of harvest now, which is a wheat field. It's coming off really well, 12.2%. It's a beautiful evening for it. It's 23rd of August today, and they said about a heat wave coming towards the end of August, and here it is. It's so hot. It's beautiful today. We're just in this wheat field in Clanfield. Turn you around. There's John over there combining. The field's sort of in a bit of a sloped valley. So yeah, a little, well, no, not a little, quite a big town called Clanfield in the south of England. So yeah, here we are. And got a slightly different rig today as well. Got the again, you can see, got the 6215R, slightly bigger than the other one. I've also got a bigger trailer to play with as well. Nice Bailey 20-ton trailer. So yeah, it's going good. September will be here soon, so it'd be time to do some cultivating and get some oil seed drilled and planted. That'll soon come around. Look forward to a bit of cultivating because you can relax slightly. Not much can go wrong. That's what I'm trying to say. But yeah, here comes John now in the combine. We really haven't got much left. So yeah, it's just under 30 acres, this field out here. I've just shut the tractor off at the minute. I might have to turn it back on in a minute, get the old aircon going. But yeah, hillside combine. I'll zoom in a bit. There she is. Compensate for that slope there. Maximise the threshing. Yeah, it's a good combine, that. Really good combine. Used to have a New Holland before. Yeah, it's a bit up and down with the weather, but it is doing all right now, and it's a good end to it, and it's a good end to the harvest and a good day, and yeah, so very good. And again, here he comes. Sounds like a thunderstorm coming, roaring away. I would open the door or the window, but it's nice clean cabin here. But yeah, there she is. There she be. Big beast. Yeah, so it'll all calm down after today, and I know some other guys will still be combining around this local area. They got some beans and some spring barley to still do. Got a guy that I know, local guy, so he's still got some to do. So there'll still be the odd one or two combines still going. Last year we were finished first week of August. We were really lucky last year with that really long heat wave that we had. Very lucky indeed. Yeah, it's just been a bit slow and a bit all over the place this year with the weather. But yeah, guys, I'll jump out a minute, show you around. It's only beeping because I've got my side lights on. So there she is, the rig. Yeah, it's a beautiful evening. Perfect weather to be sat outside in a pub garden with a pint. I just have a walk around the trailer, just check everything over, make sure everything's alright. You know, check the tyres, check the lights. You've always got to constantly check your rig, you know, what you're driving and that. Just make sure everything's safe all the time. No one's ever going to get injured or accidents on the road and stuff like that. Oh, get back in. There we go. The annoying beep where I've left my side lights on. I'll just leave them on anyway because they got the side lights are connected to the flashes on the back of the trailer as well. But yeah, I'm gonna go catch John up in the combine. I'm gonna go catch him up. But yeah, cheers for watching, guys, and I'll chat to you in a bit. Cheers. Bye.